2025 CR 003649, State versus David Wayne Huff.
Okay, pause right there. This is where things start to get real. David Wayne Huff is standing in front of Judge Boyd, and from here on out, it's going to be a wild courtroom ride. Buckle up, because this isn't just another plea hearing. There is a window into someone trying to turn their life around. Or not.
Can I have parties announce?
Matthew Finch for David Huff, Your Honor, ready.
And are you Mr. Huff?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the court's admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, within 1,000 feet of a playground, and that makes it a third-degree felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. The state recommends community supervision. They will take in consideration 2025 PF 06925. Did you understand that to be the
Quick legal breakdown here. When the judge says the court does not have to follow those recommendations, that means this deal isn't locked. Judges can override plea agreements if they feel it's not in the interest of justice. So Huff isn't off the hook just yet.
plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plea?
No contest.
State any evidence.
It offers Exhibit 1 and attachments, Judge.
We've reviewed those, Your Honor. We have no objections.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments,
Wow, did you catch that? He's been using for 10 years, and it started with the trauma of losing his father. That kind of pain doesn't just fade. Let me know in the comments. Do you think trauma like this should weigh into sentencing decisions?
the court will find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we waive PSI today.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client is motivated. He's accepted responsibility today. He's asking the court to follow this plea bargain. We would ask that you sentence him accordingly and follow our recommendations to the court as well.
All right, so how long have you been using?
About 10 years.
All right, why did you start? What happened in your life?
My dad and my stepdad was killed in the car wreck.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Kind of messed me up, but
So are you, if you were tested today, what would the results be? All right, positive for what?
uh,
And what else? All right. So here's the thing, where you're starting at now today, it's the court's hope that this probation, you'll improve and you'll get clean and sober, and you'll stay clean and sober. So do you have any support system?
yes, ma'am. They want me to go to treatment.
Right. So, I mean, do you have, who do you still with?
I got my own house. I should go road. But,
Okay. So do you live by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any children?
No, I got 2 kids, but they live in West Texas.
And what are their ages?
My son's 24 and my daughter's 18.
All right. Do you have any grandchildren?
No, yeah.
Okay. Are you working at all?
No.
What do you do?
I work right now. I work for People Ready.
I'm sorry, what?
For People Ready as an electrician.
Okay.
So.
All right. This is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's to be no contact with Veronica Renee, Renee Trevino. There's to be proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. 120 sober meetings in 120 days, a referral to felony drug court, TAP evaluation, out of custody, follow TAP recommendations, probation. Is there anything else he needs? And I'm sorry, taking consideration 2025 PF 06925.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes. Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am, I appreciate it.
In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. So if there's an issue, talk to your probation officer. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. And nobody can help you, and we can't help you.
This is the moment Judge Boyd lays down the law literally. Either you end up in prison, or someone has to identify your body. That's not courtroom drama, that's life or death. What do you think? Tough love or harsh reality check?
Happening is a motion to revoke is going to be filed. You're going to be taken into custody. Either you'll make bond or you won't make bond, and I'll hear that motion to revoke. So if you need to get an appointment booklet, get an appointment booklet and put your dates down. You understand? And when you leave here today, other than following their instructions, you need to go to a sober support meeting. Those are the NA meetings, so you can get your life back on track. Because if you continue to use, only two things going to happen. Either you're going to end up in prison, right? And you're going to lose everything. You're going to lose your house. You're going to lose even more time with your children. Or either somebody's going to have to come down and identify your body. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we
Thank
excuse?
you. Yes. Just have him remain in custody to speak with probation. So are they seeking to withdraw this?
No, Your Honor, we're going to plead true with an agreement to continue on probation. With the evaluations to be done in custody.
And is this a misdemeanor assault?
It is a non-family misdemeanor assault, Your Honor. And there's already an agreement in place. I'm not the lawyer on that case, but there's an agreement to dispose of that case.
And what's the agreement on that case?
90 days to do. He will have probably racked up enough time by the time he's in custody, getting done his obligations on probation.
All right, so you understand, if you have an agreement with the state of defense, I don't have to follow that agreement. You understand that? All right. Court is calling 2025 CR 003649, State versus David Wayne Huff. Can I have parties announced?
Duffy Whitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Matthew Finch for David Huff, Your Honor, ready.
And are you Mr. Huff?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you the same David Wayne Huff who was placed on community supervision in 2025 CR 003649 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1B NA? It's in a drug-free zone on May 15, 2025 for a term of 6 years. All right, state.
Violation of condition number 1. On or about the 16th day of May 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, David Wayne Huff, committed the offense of assault in violation of condition number 1.
All right, and how do you plead?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 6 years in the prison?
Yeah.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to continue probationer on probation, but to allow for all the evaluations that have not yet been complete to be completed while in custody. The state understands that there is a proposed agreement as to what will happen with the assault that defendant has just pledged true to. So continuing probation will have everything, all the cases will be taken care of, and the state believes that probationer will be able.
Hold up 8 hours on probation before he caught another charge. That's almost unbelievable, and yet, here we are. This is where everything shifts. Now he's facing consequences for actions that spiraled almost immediately. Is it self-sabotage or a broken system?
All right, you can lower your hand. If you'll state your name for the record.
David Wayne Huff.
All right, so Mr. Huff, they're saying that they want certain evaluations done in custody. I see that you were placed on probation in May. So why did you not follow through with those evaluations out of custody?
I was only on probation 8 hours.
I'm sorry?
8 hours.
Yes, so what happened?
Okay,
So you 8 hours and then this incident is alleged to have occurred?
To maybe shortcut, Judge, he went home. There were some people living in his home that he was trying to get out of his home. An altercation happened. It was people that were trying to get his drugs, Judge. And he was trying to do the right thing. He told me this story and told several people that story, but he was trying to fix the problem so he could be successful, and here we are. And he's been in custody since.
Okay, well, it explains things.
yes, ma'am.
Now I understand why I should follow your agreement. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court, as previously stated, is finding violation of condition number 1 true. The court will alter and amend conditions to the following, and this is to happen in custody. A TAP evaluation and a referral to felony drug court.
And there it is, Judge Boyd. Gives him one final reminder. Communication is key, but will he take it to heart? Let's hear your thoughts. Will David turn it around? Or is this just another detour before disaster? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.
And I am going to order, I think somebody's already ordered you to have 120 sober meetings in 120 days. Was that previously ordered?
It was, Judge.
All right. So you're to make sure that you do that. If for some reason, because the systems are down, if some reason they release you from the Bexar County Jail, you know you're not supposed to be released, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If for some reason they release you, don't fight them over it. Just come back to this court in the morning, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you have any questions about anything?
No, ma'am, thank you.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am, I'll be successful.
All right, if in this court to be successful on probation, communication is key, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you need something, let probation know. If they feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court.
Yeah.
But whatever you do, don't do this thing where you don't report, okay?
Yeah.